All right, 46. 46. E. All right, so this one, before we change it, this is an exponential form, right? And we're going to change it to logarithms. Because whenever we have an exponent that has a variable, we want to use logarithms. That's what logarithms are for, right? So, I got to get the e alone though, whatever the base is. I got to get it by itself. So, if this is 7 times that, then what's the opposite of times? Divide. So I'm going to divide that by 7, I'm going to divide that by 7. That is not going to be a pretty number, is it? So I'm not going to worry about it. I'm just going to keep it simple. X plus 8 equals 16 over 7. Because we're just plugging this in our calculator anyways, right? So, we keep it like that, keep it nice and simple, and now we can put this in a log form. Remember, log base b of a number, right, is equal to an exponent. Okay? And it goes the other way too. The base raised to the exponent is equal to a number, right? This is what we have right here. I need to change it to this. I need to go this direction. So I'm going to go log, what's the base? E. Log base E, okay? Of a number, what's the number? What's the number? 16 over 7, right? Right? Okay, equals the exponent. What's the exponent?
X plus 8.
X plus 8. Okay? It's kind of hard to see. Oh, that was the end. Feed me one more time. Come on. I can do this. Come on, give me some left. Give me some food. That's a little bit off. Okay, I'm sorry. I tried to look. One more time. Feed me one more time. I got this. I got this. I'm wearing my Jordans today.
You're 1-4 now, man.
All right, feed me one more time. One more time. I'm not a quitter. I'm not a quitter. I'm gonna hit this. Bam, baby. What? Said he's gotta feed me. I'll eat all day. Okay, so all day I'll miss, but then I'll hit it one time. That's all that matters. All right, we need to also change this because it's if you have log base e of x, we need to know that that's actually ln of x. That's just another way of looking at it. It's natural log, right? Just like if you have log base 10 of x, all that is log of x, right? We just don't worry about it. Now, if I have log of some number, like a of x, then that one's the hard one. That's the one that you have to go, okay, log of x divided by log of a, right? But these two are a lot easier. So I'm going to change this into ln, right? ln of the number 16 over 7 equals the exponent x plus 8, right? And so now I'm almost there. I'm almost there. I just got to get x alone. What do I do? Huh? No, not divide. Opposite. It's plus 8. Minus 8. Yeah. Minus 8. Minus 8. So all this is ln of 16 over 7. And then I'm going to subtract 8. That's what x is. So I take my calculator, right? And I check it out and go, hey, if I push 5 in and hit ln, that doesn't work. It actually wants me to put ln first, right? And then do 16 divided by 7. But that's not that hard. I hit a button, it says equals, right? And then I go minus minus 8. And then hit equals. And I got negative 7.1733.
I have junioritis.
And that's your x. Okay? Now this one, you remember that one that was 6 and 6? Right? Well, let me show you something real quick. If I say the log of x is equal to the log of 5, what's x? That was pretty easy, right? Because if they both have the same bases, these have to be equal. If these are the same base, these have to be equal. Okay? So negative 4n has to equal negative 2n, right? So then I move the lowest one, plus 4n plus 4n. So I get 0 is equal to 2n, divided by 2, divided by 2, n equals 0. That was a shit cake. Okay? Alright, next. This one's a little harder. We have to remember, when we subtract, we... Oh, damn it, almost. Good guess, though. Right? When we add, we multiply. So when we subtract, we... Bam. Okay? It's that easy. You had a 50-50 chance. You never even seen this shiznit before, right? And you got it right. The second time around. Right? Sometimes it takes two. Sometimes it takes two. Let me tell you. Oh, yeah. Never mind. I was going to say something, but it was like, yeah. Okay, so this is divide. Okay? So it's log base 2 of x squared plus 3 over 3 equals 2. Right? Now we can change this into a exponential form. Now we go the opposite way. Remember how here we went to the log form? Now we're going to go this way. We're going to go from log to exponents. Okay? So what's the base? 2. Okay? What's the exponent? 2. Let's put a purple 2 so we know which one it was. Okay? And what's the number?
Always have to look at the example.
That's okay. That's good. That's why it's there. That means you should have that in your cheat sheet when you're doing this test. Right? Alright, now what do we do to solve this? Get x alone. 3, right? 3, right? Those cancel. What's 3 times 4? And why did I say 4?
Because the 2 is
2 squared is 4, right? It's not 2 times 2, it's 2 times 2. Get it? No? A little bit. Right? Because if this were a 3 squared, it'd be 3 times 3. 4 squared, 4 times 4. This just happens to be 2 times 2. People get confused. Alright, so 3 times 4 is 12. Right? 12 equals x squared plus 3. So Jordan, since you're so talkative all the time, what do we do next?
Get rid of minus the 3 on both sides.
Perfect. That's why I love calling on you. You always know, even though you talk so much crap. You always know what to do. Right? Now what do we do?
Divide.
No. Close. Come on.
Get
Think.
rid of that the exponent.
Yeah. How do I do that?
I forgot.
The opposite of the exponent, right? So if this is squared, we're going to square root it. If it's cubed, we're going to cube root it. If it's to the 5th power, we're going to 5th root it. That's all. So we're going to root it by a square root, right? What's the square root of 9? Done, son. It's that easy. Oh, that's plus or minus 3, isn't it? Let's be fair. I probably should write that. Now, it's plus or minus 3. But, are both of those possible? If I plug in a negative 3, will this still stay positive? Because I can't take a log of a negative number, right? So what's negative 3 squared? Positive 9, right? So it's going to be positive. Okay, and if I plug in a 3, it's still going to be positive, so that's good. x is plus or minus 3. Bingo. Oops. Almost failed. Kind of did still fail, but